Let's have this conversation. Remote work is actually becoming the creme de la creme of jobs at this point in time, and everybody simply wants to do remote work. With remote work comes the need for workspaces, and with workspaces comes the need for screens. Everybody wants to view their work on a larger screen. Everybody wants to see their coding on a larger screen. Everybody wants to see their design on a larger screen. Some actually go for monitors, high refresh rates, bigger screens, etc. etc. Others go for TV sets, smart TVs. Basically, they just want to see what they do away from their PCs on a much bigger screen. But hey, what happens when you go to an area where you do not have a screen available or the ability to get a screen? Or what happens when your pocket isn't friendly enough to get you a screen? Hello, meet your new screen. Hi guys, it's Kanolio here. Today I'm going to be showing you pretty much very easy way to connect your phone to your system as a second screen. Basically going to use it to do the job your screen is supposed to do or your monitor is supposed to do. While we are at it, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon by the side to be notified about new videos whenever they drop. So without geeking time, let's go. So what do you need? Your phone, as I said before, your PC, and a bit of internet connection for the very first step. You're going to be using a very simple application called SpaceDesk. SpaceDesk is a very simple utility that combines the basic function of networking and Miracast together to be able to give you the ability to cast your device from your system to your phone directly, but with an added bit of ingredients which I'm going to show you in this video. So you head over to Google and you type SpaceDesk. In the results that actually appear below, the very first one should take you to the homepage of this utility, which is spacedesk.net. Remember that this utility gives you the ability to connect virtually any device, be it a laptop, be it a desktop, be it a workstation, as far as that device has wireless capabilities alongside your phone as a second screen. Now we'll click on the download button below and we are taken to the available downloads here. We have downloads for Windows 10, both 32 and 64 bits, as well as Windows 8.1, 32 and 64 bits. Unfortunately here, there is no actual support for Mac OS at the moment, but as you can see down here, we have support for iOS devices. Here I'm going to be placing down the links to all the downloads in the description below. And as you can see here, we have options for iOS users via App Store, Android users via Play Store, Microsoft devices, I wonder if they still exist, down here. Now on your device here, if you're using an Android device, make sure you go to your Play Store. By the way, I'm using a Xiaomi Redmi 9 for this tutorial. Search for SpaceDesk and install it. Once you have SpaceDesk installed, kindly open it up. The very first thing you notice once you actually turn on or open up the SpaceDesk application on your phone, which is going to be acting as a second screen, is the fact that it has already detected the screen already. It has already detected the system, which is the host is supposed to connect to. Now I actually forgot to mention a very important detail about this particular application. Despite the fact that we have to go online to download these two utilities, both on your host and on your client being the phone, you can turn off your data once you're done, but you still need to have connection between your system and the phone via your hotspot. Yes, your hotspot needs to be on and connected to your system from your phone to be able to ensure that this application works properly. And it is way better to connect directly from your phone, as the speed is better off than actually a situation where both devices are actually connected to the same network. It doesn't mean it's not going to work, but the speed is going to be hampered. So my candid advice is connect your phone directly to the system and you're going to get a better speed when you want to switch over. My phone is connected to my system, as you can see here, and the SpaceDesk application is always running in the notification tray. Yeah, that is running in the background, so I'm going to pop it up so you can actually see it. So on the screen you have SpaceDesk server, and on my phone you have the SpaceDesk client here. That's it, basic networking arranged, the server and the client. There isn't much technicality to actually activating this. All you need to do is have your SpaceDesk on your phone and your SpaceDesk host application running on your system. Just kindly tap on the host name, which is your system name, boldly indicated on the SpaceDesk application on your phone. You are supposed to be greeted with a connected display of bubble. Then you are now greeted with a representation of your system screen on your phone. I can work with my phone and it actually replicates anything I do on my phone directly on my system. Think of the possibilities you can actually achieve with this application in your hands. Probably you have your workspace in the dining area and you're tired of sitting down for a very long time and you want to go to the comfort of the sofa in the living room. All you need to do is just grab your iPad, grab your Android tab, grab your phone connected to your system with this application, walk down to your sofa, enjoy the comfort, and still be able to perform the job you are supposed to perform on your system directly with your phone at hand. In previous versions, there was no support for the use of your phone keyboard to be able to actually perform action on your system via your phone. However, this current version gave us the ability to actually use our pop-up keyboard to actually perform. Now, I haven't tested this function yet, so I want to use the opportunity to actually test to see if it actually works. The keyboard actually works, but some of the functionalities are not yet perfect, like clicking on the enter button to be able to move to a page, etc, etc. They don't seem to work. So I would simply advise that if you need to do anything that has to do with input, you should still stick to the system keyboard to be able to do that. Probably that's the essence why it's still a second screen for you. Now, apart from duplicating, we can actually extend our screen into this mobile device here to fully assume the position of the second screen, no more as a duplicate. All we need to do here is to project on our system using the Windows P button. Click on the extend option, wait for a few seconds, and voila, and that is it. It's extended. Though there's still a bit of snag, I can't take off the keyboard. Okay, now I can. So here we are. Here is an extended view of my second screen on my phone. The screen you're seeing on the system is the first screen and this is the second screen. As you can see, I can move my mouse from this screen to the other screen and back. So that's it. Basically, you can do anything you want to do on your phone and on your system simultaneously. You can control your system with your phone. So I recommend this to a whole lot of people who need screens. Most importantly, if you need to have a touch screen functionality but you don't want to go high and wide trying to spend cash to get a touch screen, you can use this. If you're a graphic designer, especially if you want to draw, if you want to actually perform actions that require touch input, you can actually use this. If you want to do official stuff, you want to sign, etc, etc, I recommend this for you. Kindly tell me what you think about this app in the comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for much more tips coming your way. Also, the link to the downloads are also going to be dropped in the description below, like I said before. So thank you very much for watching. I want to say a big shout out to Mazi Chima Amadi, aka Mazi Burubudu himself. He is the main sponsor of this video. This video is actually dedicated to him himself. I want to say a big shout out to him and say thank you very much. Have an amazing day.